from R.D. Sharma, class 6, mathematics, chapter number 6, fraction. In that topic is like and unlike fraction. Now first, like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. Now if here it is 13, all the denominators same, then it is called like fraction. Now see, 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2, they are called like fraction because their denominator is same. If the denominator is different, then it is called unlike fraction. Here see, all the denominator are different, so they are called unlike fraction. For example, 3 by 4 and 1 by 6, so they are called unlike fraction. Now another topic, comparing and ordering of fraction. Comparing like fraction. Now like fraction means denominator same. So if you have 2 and 3 upon 2, so if you want to compare these two, which one is bigger? Compare means you have to make which one is greater than, equal to, or less than. Okay, that is meaning of comparing two fraction. So this is like fraction because denominator is same. Now by 1 is greater or 3 is greater? 1 to 3 is greater, so 1 by 2 is less than 3 by 2. This is called comparing. Now comparing like fraction, this is the example of comparing like fraction. Now comparing unlike fraction, that is, if you have denominator difference, just like this, okay, which one is larger, it is written over here. Now 3 by 4 or 5 by 12, 3 by 4 or 5 by 12. Now here we have to take out the LCM of 4 and 12 to make the denominator same. Okay, denominator same, the LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So 12 into 1 and 4 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 upon 12 or 5 upon 12. Now which one is greater? 9 upon 12 is greater. So like this way, if it is unlike fraction, then this way we have to compare, make the denominator same and then write which one is greater. And if it is like term, so directly you can write it down. Your one note is there that if two fractions have same numerator but the different denominator, the fraction with the greater denominator is small. Now for example, 9 upon 14 and 9 upon 10 is there. Okay, if 9 upon 14 less than 9 upon 10, why? With the note we can say that whichever the greater denominator is there, then that is the smallest fraction. Now see, if you had 1 upon 5 or 1 upon 7, now which one is smaller? 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 7 because it is written over here that whichever the greater denominator, that is smaller fraction. Exercise 6.7, question number 1. Write each fraction, arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign, less than, equal to, greater than, between the fraction. First of all, we will write the fraction. Okay, here nothing means 0 upon 8. Okay, here nothing, total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total is 8 and nothing shaded part is 0 upon 8. 1 2 3, 3 upon 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 upon 8, 1 2 3 4, 4 upon 8. Now we have to write in ascending and descending order. So first of all, we'll write in ascending order, small to greater. So small is 0 upon 8, less than 3 upon 8, less than 4 upon 8, and less than 6 upon 8. It is ascending. Now for the descending, what we have to write? First of all, write as descending order. So first will come 6 upon 8 greater than 4 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 8 greater than 0 upon 8. It is descending. Okay, same way as second and third. Now question number 2. Mark 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on a number line and put appropriate sign between fraction given below. Now we have to mark 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on the number line. Okay, first of all we'll draw the number line over here only. So I had drawn number line 0 and 1. Between that 6 part, total 6 part I had separated. Now 0 means 0 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6 and 6 upon 6. First of all 2 upon 6 we have to mark. So 2 upon 6 over here, 4 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6. 8 upon 6 it is not there. Here only 1, 6 by 6. So after 1 we have to draw, extend the line like this way and mark 2. Between 1 and 2 we have to mark partition 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same way 6 is there. Now 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6, 11 upon 6 and 12 upon 6. If we cancel this it will become 2. 6 ones are and 6 2s are 12. Okay, so what we have to mark? 8 upon 6. So 8 upon 6 is here and 6 upon 6. So 6 upon 6 is here. Now here first one is there, that 5 upon 6 dash 2 upon 6. Which one is greater? 5 upon 6 is greater. 3 upon 6 or 0 upon 6? 3 upon 6 is greater. 1 upon 6, yeah, 6 by 6. So 6 by 6 is greater. 1 upon 6 is less than 6 by 6. 8 upon 6, yeah, 5 by 6. So 8 upon 6 is greater than 5 by 6. Compare the following fraction and put an appropriate sign. Now here denominator are same. Okay, last one is different. So let us see if we are with the first one. 3 by 6 or 5 by 6 is greater. So 5 by 6 is greater. 3 by 6 is less than 5 by 6. 4 by 5 or 0 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 0 by 5. 3 by 20 or 4 by 20. So 3 by 20. Question 4. 1 upon 7 dash 1 upon 4. Here numerator is same. Okay, whichever the biggest denominator, that is the smallest one. So directly we can write that 1 upon 7 is less than 1 upon 4. Compare the following fraction using the symbol greater or less. Now 6 upon 7 and 6 upon 11. Now here the numerator is same. So whichever the greatest denominator, that is the smallest one. So 6 upon 7 is greater than 6 upon 11. Third one, 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. Here what we have to do? 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 7, both the denominator are same. So we have to see the numerator, whichever is the bigger one, that is the greater one. So 3 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 5. Now third one, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 12. This we have to solve it because no numerator same, no denominator same. So we have to make the LCM same. Let us do it. Here we have to make the denominator same. So LCM of 3 and 12. 2, 3, 6 are 2, 3, 3s are and 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 4 is 12 and 12 into 1. So which one? We have to 4 2s are 8 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. So what is the answer? 8 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. So answer is equal to, so 8 upon 12 equal to 8 upon 12. So therefore 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 12. Sixth one question is 4 upon 9 and 15 upon 8. So now what we have to do, that First of all, make the denominators same. So 9 into 8 and 8 into 9. LCM. Okay, so LCM here it is 72. So 8 4s are 32 upon 72, and 9 15s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12 and 30. 135 upon 72. Now here which one is greater? 135. So 32 upon 72 is less than 135 upon 72. So therefore 4 upon 9 is less than 15 upon 8 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.